Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while since I made a video here, so I wanted to make some technical analysis for Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG, and also touch on Tesla a bit. We have earnings for Tesla this afternoon after market close, so typically a very volatile day for Tesla. So I just want to show you some key levels on Tesla and just some things to kind of keep an eye on. Zion Oil and Gas, we're going to start off with it because obviously that's why a lot of you guys are here to keep up with that stock, and that's why you tune into the videos to kind of check out key support levels and resistance and things like that. So we're going to look at that first. We did redraw the fib level. This is a 180-day 4-hour time frame. We have 7.5 as your bottom and roughly about 28 cents as your top, like we've been having. We did cross underneath the the golden cross breakout indicator. Obviously we broke down here, and which typically signals more room for downside, and we did see some downside. However, it bounced pretty much perfectly off of 15 cents, as you'll see here, and we talked about that in some of the videos on 15 being a very crucial support level, and it bounced off of it twice. Alright, so now the key thing to watch is, are we going to stay and bounce off of 17 and try to get that leg higher, or we're going to go back down and retest 15 and continue lower? It kind of remains to be seen. My guess is we pop our head up a little bit and we get rejected again, and then we fall back down to 17 and we potentially fall underneath that, just kind of based on what I'm looking at here. However, any type of positive news for whatever reason, it can be speculative type news, can send it higher. And if you get above 20 cents, guys, if you get above 20 cents here and we hold at 20 cents, then the breakout indicator, golden cross breakout indicator, is basically reversing and saying that, hey, we have some more room for upside, but we have to see that confirmation going pretty much passing 20 cents and kind of testing 22, 23 cents, if that makes sense, and then finding some support around 20. Okay, it's looking like, we're pretty close to overvalued on the 180-day 4-hour time frame. We are kind of cooling off a little bit here, as you can see. Let me kind of back out and get a better visual for you. We are kind of losing steam a little bit, so could potentially come back down and retest 17. If you break below that, then again 15 is going to be your major level that you want to watch. And if you get below 15, now you're looking at about 11 cents, roughly, still about 12, 11 cents, let's see, 1187. So you can still call it around 12 cents after that, and then 7.5 would be the overall bottom that you're looking at. So overall, guys, we are still in a downtrend, and as long as we, if we can't get above 20 cents, then you can probably wait on 12, okay, and see if that's going to be the bottom. But if we bust above 20 cents and we start moving up to like 23, 24 cents for whatever reason, that would be a good sign, because that could be potential signs of a reversal and move back to the upside. Okay, so Tesla, TSLL, or TSLA, TSLL is the ETF. We are kind of at a crucial level right here for Tesla too, because we are still above that golden cross breakout indicator. If we fall below, it's kind of a similar situation. If we fall below the two spots that we keep finding support out of about 400, we're going to break down and see some pain, probably temporarily. However, if we can hold here, we should come back up and test about 480. If we can get past 480, I mean, that's a smooth move, in my opinion, to 500. But currently your overall support at about 415, then 375, 343, 312, and then 266. 479.38 is basically your ceiling right now. But just kind of keep in mind, guys, with earnings after hours, it's usually very, very volatile. So expect some movement after hours, regardless of if you own, this stock or TSL, which is the ETF that that I'm looking at right here, as you see, the charts are going to look very, very similar because it basically follows Tesla. This just moves a little bit more aggressive based on whatever Tesla's doing, okay? And a lot of mixed feelings about Tesla as far as it's going to go up, it's going to go down, yada, yada, yada. So with good earnings, even if they beat earnings, you can see a temporary spike in the price. But typically when Elon comes out and starts talking, that's whenever the stock starts getting real volatile and shoots down and everything, because the guidance is typically what moves Tesla based on what he's saying. So keep that in mind. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you in this one. Just wanted to give you a little update on some technical analysis. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.